Well, what a great week at Infocomm. It's been absolutely fabulous. Here we are in Ardo, fresh out of Birmingham in the UK. And what have we got? We've won the Best of Show Award for AV Technology. I mean, I couldn't be more delighted. We've had some great throughput on the booth over the last 3 days. Some real good interest from manufacturers, distributors and installers. And what they really like is the fact that within Ardo, when you're controlling a commercial environment, sports bars, school, hospitality, commercial, hotel, casino, or whatever it is, the fact that somebody can just come in, scan a QR code and be working straight away. And one of the things the installers have really loved, which I think has really impressed the judges for the Technology Award, was the fact that you can easily program it over a web browser and that you can have the QR codes in a situation where somebody can just launch whatever it is. So they could be controlling the whole site, they could be controlling a room or a specific device. The features that has really been so attractive to visitors to the booth at Infocomm, and it's the ability to actually ensure through the fact that Inado is running as a web page that whenever anybody accesses the UI or the control, it's up to date. One of the installers on the booth today was telling me how he had to go and find 12 iPads and 4 iPhones to be able to update the configuration after a simple change to a channel number on a particular cable box. So that sort of innovative control really will save you time and money as an installer. And if you want to see more about that type of feature, then please check us out on our website, www.inado.com. Thank you.